Now, continuing from the combination of quadrants, we're going to take up one more problem, how to analyze and how to do it in AutoCAD software. So first, draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line and keeping convenient distance between each projectors, and name the quadrants in which they lie. Point capital P, 20 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Point capital Q, 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. And capital R on VP and 40 mm above HP. And capital S, 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So this is the condition given. So in this, so as the capital P says it is above HP and in front of VP, so obviously this is the condition of the first quadrant. So capital P lies in first quadrant. And capital Q, 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP, as the condition given is above HP and behind VP. So this is the condition given for the second quadrant. In the point to be in the second quadrant, the condition has to be above HP and behind VP. So therefore capital Q lies in second quadrant. Now when you see take the capital R on VP and 40 mm above HP, so above HP condition will be there in first and as well as the second quadrant. You can see here above HP and above HP, so both is in first and second quadrant, but it is on VP. So point capital R lies in first as well as second quadrant. Capital S, 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So here the condition is below HP and in front of VP. So this condition satisfies only when you are in the fourth quadrant. So below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So capital S lies in fourth quadrant. Now we will try to analyze this problem now. So to do that, so first we go for 20 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. So when you look from the front view, above HP seen is in vertical plane. So 20 mm above HP. And when you look from the top view, we can see the distance 35 mm in front of VP. In front of VP seen in HP. So when HP is rotated down, so front view will be above XY line and 35 mm P will be below XY line. So when you take to the second point, capital Q is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. When you look from the front view, above HP seen in vertical plane, that is Q dash. And when you look from the top view, 40 mm behind VP can be seen in the top view. So when HP is rotated to the top, both front and top view will be above XY line, that is Q dash, and Q will be above XY line. So when you take to the capital R above HP on VP, so above HP condition will be there in first and as well as in the second quadrant. So we can see here, this is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. Since it is on VP, obviously the point will be on HP. So when HP is rotated down in the first quadrant, HP will be rotated to the top in the second quadrant. But the image will going to be there on the same. R will be on XY line and R dash will be above XY line. So here when you are considering the fourth quadrant, capital S below HP and in front of VP. So when you look from the front view, below HP is seen in the vertical plane, that is 35 mm below HP. And when you look from the top view, 30 mm in front of VP is seen in HP. When HP is rotated down, both S and S dash will be below XY line, which can be shown here. So this is how we will be able to analyze this problem. Now we will try to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, now we are going to draw only this particular portion of the drawing. So to do that, so first we are going to come out of this and go to AutoCAD Stream. And now we will going to switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So here we will type the command limits, lower left corner 297, 210, upper right corner, and then say zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side, take some distance and click on again first button of the mouse. Take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and again go to the offset, take the distance as 210, select the object to offset, take the bot of horizontal line and take offset to the top side, then go to zoom extent and then zoom 0.66, then go to fillet. So you take this vertical line and this horizontal line, and similarly this horizontal line and this vertical line, and take this vertical line and this horizontal line, then go to zoom window, then you take the text, specify start point, take the height as 4, then the rotation angle of text as 0, and type the problem from 22 Draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line, keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrants in which they lie. So problem number 22. So to do that, so draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line and keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrants in which they lie. So here, capital P, 20 mm above HP, and 35 mm in front of VP. Capital Q, 30 mm above HP, and 40 mm behind VP. Capital R, on VP and 40 mm above HP. Capital S, 35 mm below HP, and 30 mm in front of VP. Then you come out of this. Now we go for zoom window. Go to layer. So click on new. Type the layer by name XY. Then new front view, and then new top view. So here, line weight, you set the layer line weight as 0.05, XY line weight as 0.13, then front view as magenta color, and the top view as red color, and then close it. Now we'll go for first we're going to draw the XY line. So go to line command, draw a horizontal line of some distance, then you take one vertical line here. So go to offset, take the distance as 20 mm above HP, and then 35 mm in front of VP. So offset 35, and then go to trim, select these two as the cutting edges and remove these two. Then go to erase this line and erase this line. Then we go to the next one. So both are above XY line. So go to offset, go to line, take nearest point, select some point here, and the distance between these two can be any distance. That is the reason why you're not taking offset. Go to offset, take the distance as 30, then offset, take the distance as 40. Then go to trim this cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to donut. So here inside diameter is 0, outside diameter is 3, and take intersection, drop donut as the intersection part of this. Then go to intersection part of this and take end point of this. So we are doing it for 2 problems, and then go to erase. Then it is on VP and 40 mm above HP. So go to line, take nearest point, again you take some point, and then go to offset, take the distance as 40, then go to trim this line till here. So take this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to erase, then below HP and in front of VP. So go to line, take nearest point on this. So from here you take down. So here this we are taking this now, last one. So go to offset, take the 35 mm below HP. So then 30 mm in front of VP. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, object to trim as this. Then go to donut, So take the center of donut as intersection point of this, then go to intersection point of this, then int of this, and then end point of this. Then go to erase these two, then go to break this line till here, and then you break this line till here. Then go to select, go to ch, go to layer, make this layer as XY layer. Then go to zoom window, then go to dtext, put the caps lock on, type X and go to dtext, select this, specify height as 3, then type it as capital X and you type it as capital Y, then this as P dash and P. So here it will be P dash and this will be P, then again Q dash. So here come down to this Q and then Q dash, and here R dash. So you take R and then R dash, then in this S dash and S, you take this as S and this as S dash. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode. So take P and you take this here, Q, and then take Q dash here, then R dash, then R, then S, then S dash here. Then go to move, select this and you select this. So then P dash, Q dash, R dash, then S dash. Go to CH, so go to layer, make this as front view, then you take Q, then Q, R and S. Go to CH, go to layer, make this layer as top view and then say close. Now we go for DDIM, then go to modify, then go to lines, make this as 2, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, vertical above, offset on the dimension line as 2, go to primary units, make this as 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take vertical, take center, go to dim, take center of this and take int of this. So we're going to get 35, then go to center of this and take int of this. So we're going to get 20. Then go to center of this and take intersection point of this. So we're going to get 30. Go to center of this and take int of this. So we're going to get 40. Then go to center of this and take center of this. So we're going to get 40. Then go to center of this and center of this. Go to center of this and take int of this. So you will get 35 and go to center of this and int of this here. So we're going to get 30. So this is how you will be able to get all the solutions. Now we're going to write the text. So here the answers now. So I will say answers, type answers. Now state the quadrants. We have to state the quadrants. So here capital P is in first quadrant and capital Q is in second quadrant, then capital R is in first as well as second quadrant, and capital S is in fourth quadrant. So this is how we will be able to get the final answer for this particular problem. This is how we can be able to solve this problem with both now it is in AutoCAD. Also we can solve by using this problem. So this is how you will be able to solve. Thank you.